Hey everyone, Gabby here, and in this video we're going to cover the inbox that Canvas provides. So first things first, once you're logged into your Canvas course, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice you have your account and your dashboard, and then if you keep going right in the middle, there's your inbox. And once you click on your inbox, it takes you to your most recent messages, and it filters it by default with all of your courses. If you want to view your messages from just one specific course, you can click on the All Courses menu, go to Favorite Courses, and then select the specific course that you want to see the messages that are just from those students in that course. You can also look at past messages by looking under Concluded, so your past courses, and see the messages you've had in the past. Then moving from left to right, the inbox menu allows you to switch between inbox, unread messages, starred messages, sent, archived, submission comments. The submission comments I do like to go to when I'm grading in an assignment because this is where students can specifically comment on assignments. They could ask questions, they can let you know how it was going, or if you specifically ask them to submit a comment in that assignment submission box, this is where you would see all of those, which is kind of nice because it's all in one spot. So I'm going to switch back to inbox now, and moving again from left to right, the compose a new message icon is next. When I click on compose a new message, pops up where I can type my message. So the first thing I need to do is select the course that I want to send my message to. Then I need to select who. Next to to, it has a contact icon. And once you click on that, it asks if you want to send it to everyone in the class, just the teachers of the course, just the students of the course. And in many instances, in your case with your students, you will also have an observer option, which will be the parent and or guardian of the students in your class. Then you can provide a subject, and then you can provide your message here. Under the text box, there's a paperclip icon. This is where you would attach any files you want your students to have access to. And then you have the video record icon where you could record or attach a video that you've previously recorded yourself. When you're ready to send, you hit send and it goes to their Canvas inbox as well. Then, if you want to, when you're in your inbox, select the message you want to read, and you can see the history of the communication you've had with that person. When you want to reply, you can click on the reply arrow, and that will prompt you with a similar pop-up box, and then you can type your message here, attach files or videos, and then click send again. The next thing is up at the top, moving from left to right, you have your reply, you have reply all, you have archive, you have delete, and then you have your settings bar. When you click on your settings bar, you can mark something as unread. I like to do that if it's an action item that I just don't have time to do right at that moment. If I mark it as unread, I know that I have something to do with that message. Then I have forward, and then I have star. So if you star the email message, then over here where we have our inbox menu, when I click starred, that's where those messages will appear. You can also star it right in the left-hand menu, right here where my mouse is rolling over. You can star it there, and it'll also go to your starred section. So that's the first part of the inbox with receiving, sending, organizing, looking at your inbox just in general. So the last little part I do want to mention is when you or your students receive a message from Canvas, often it will go and look like this in your inbox. So it has the message here. And then at the very bottom, it says you can reply to this message in Canvas by replying directly to this email. If you need to include an attachment, please log into Canvas and reply through the inbox. So this is really great because if you don't have the Canvas app, or if you prefer your inbox from Gmail or another service, you could just reply here and it will go to their inbox in Canvas as well. If you want to unsubscribe from these settings, then you can click update your notification settings here. That wraps up the inbox that Canvas provides and the many tools that it has that we can communicate with our students.